Hello and welcome to the Legacy Lost Radio and Music Paradise. Been a little bit. I thought I might have showed this radio off here a while ago. I guess I didn't. It's another variation of a Baofeng. I program it with Chirp. It uses a different type of connector. I forgot the name of this exactly. And it's got a screw. It's supposed to be. It's called the GT-3WP. I think it's like splash proof. This is it was given to me as a gift, and it just charges on the cradle here for emergencies. I believe this radio, it doesn't open up the squelch on stuff that's out of band. Like if you put it on scan mode, it's not going to stop on something that's out of band. Say like you have a fire rescue VHF dispatcher channel. If I'm not mistaken, I think this was one of the newer ones that doesn't do that. You know, the transmit's locked out on that regardless, but the receive, I just don't think it quite does that for some reason. It only opens up the squelch, it seems like, on the scan mode on that, if I'm not mistaken. I haven't tried it in a while to confirm that, but that was what I remember. But yeah, it's standard Baofeng GT-3WP. It's a little bit similar to UB5R and stuff. It's got a little bit different, a little bit more rounded case. So, but that's your standard Baofeng GT3WP. I don't think I did a little quick overview on this or not. So, 73.